दिनभरि प्रियतमा भनेर बोलाउनु प्रियतमा
Alright, good morning. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. 10:30 a.m. It's getting cold now, so it's a very nice weather to make some yummy food and then sell. So yep, we're gonna stay a bit late today as well. Let's see how our day is gonna go, eh? You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Okay, good morning. कति बजे? 10:45?
48
10:48 a.m.
a.m.
a.m. Hey.
Yes. Aja, I think we're gonna get nice, slow and steady busy, I think. चिसो छ नि त मान्छेहरु आउँछ के खानलाई. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just tweet your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak goodbye. Why are you shaking this? What? That makes you look stupid.
You phone.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of nice camera. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh. बन्दैछ 11:55 AM. सही सही रमाइलो भइरहेछ बाइबर स्ट्रिट वाइल्ड बिजी छ अनि यहाँ पनि नाइस म्युजिक लट अफ पिपल इन एन्ड आउट एकदम रमाइलो भइरहेछ पिपल आर देयर सिटिङ नाइस एन्ड इजी विथ कुकिङ मेकिङ प्रेपिङ एभ्रिथिङ One son?
Yes, please.
I'm gonna give you stirred up, man.
Beautiful.
We very busy just for a while, for 10 minutes. We got very busy. We're making sale up here, dumpling down there, some vegan pakoda, chicken pakoda. Lot of people waiting, watching. Check here. King or no? Please give me some piro achar.
Please help yourself.
Yes. Hello.
Maybe the same.
For 4:25 p.m. Everybody gone home. We are only here. They're open and we are open. Budi is still making sale. She has been making sale like forever today. Very not happy person. How is it going?
I wanna go now.
You wanna go now? Finish this
It's
much
too
and we
much.
go. Once you finish this much, we go.
Yeah.
We sold already. We
Yeah.
sold 50 sale. We sold a $125 sale.
Emotional mess, yes, but you wouldn't want me any less, yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess. You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, baby.
Alright, 5 p.m. is 4:55 p.m. so almost 5. We are done. We sold a lot of food items today. Sold some jalebi. Jalebi is here. Sold some jalebi. Sold some sale. We had some extra sale. Great service. Fantastic service. Now we'll be back tomorrow. We feel pretty lazy, pretty tired. We've been doing this now. Really tired, man.
Adios, mate.
Adios. Catch you later. So a little bit. Nice.
We're out of lids, man.
Yes, we're giving thug life. Our vehicle is there. We're giving thug life here.